How to change your username or computer name in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your username or computer name in Windows 11. For this, you want to click on the Start menu and then click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, click on System over here. Now from this left-hand side panel, click on About, which is the last option. Here, you can view your current computer name. If you want to change it, go ahead and click on Rename this PC option. Once you click on Rename this PC, this box is going to appear. Now, you want to enter your new PC name. You can use a combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers here, but make sure that it is a single word. After that is done, click on the next option. Now it will take some time. Here it says that your computer name will be changed after restart, so you can choose if you want to restart now or restart later. After the restart, your username or computer name will be successfully changed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.